Hi, my name is Anne at Ostorlab. In this tutorial, I will show you in less than 3 minutes how to manage SLO for my remediation tickets. Here is my dashboard. I have completed a scan for my new app Ostorlab. Tickets have been automatically created to support my organization in fixing vulnerabilities. Here I can see if each ticket is within SLO or not. What I don't understand is that this P0 ticket is still within the SLO, whereas it was created more than 10 days ago. I need to manage both patching and priority policies for my organization. Therefore, in the menu, I start with Policies Patching. You can see that we have a default configuration. I want first to focus on high and medium vulnerabilities and activate hardening patching. Then, I manage priority policy. My objective is to have a mature posture in fixing P0 and P1 tickets within 5 and 10 days. And I save. Going back to remediation tickets, I make a quick search about tickets out of SLO. SLO, false, and now I know which one I need to work on. To find out how to manage tickets, assign them across your organization, please have a look to our tutorial how to manage tickets and remediation. Thanks a lot for your time. Bye.